Hello, this is Talamir and welcome to another repair video. In this video, we're looking at a Samsung Galaxy. I don't know what type of tablet it is actually. If I was to take a guess, I would say probably it's a Tab 6 Lite. What we have an issue with this tablet is that it is not charging. Now when it comes to tablets and smartphones in general, not just Samsung devices, there's a few things that you can check. And one of the first things I like to do is I like to try out first the customer's devices, like that what they were using initially for charging. So I have the customer's original charger as well as their charge cable. Why is this such an important one? Well, there might be nothing wrong with the tablet at all. It might simply be that their charger is not working properly. So I'm going to plug it in right now. What do we have here? USB-C. I'm going to do just a quick cursory inspection of the USB-C port. There is no damage that I can see with this port. It looks fine. So let's grab our tester. Also, before I even do that, let's take a look at the port. I don't see any bent pins. I'm sorry that I can't really show this to you guys. There isn't a whole lot I can show. But let's just open up the screen. Plug this in. Let's see what we get. Oh, I gotta take this out of the case. Nothing. Not a darn thing. That's interesting. Let's just take one of my cell phones. I've got a lot going on right now on my desk. There's a lot of stuff hanging around. Let's just plug something else in. No reaction at all. Nothing. I think there's something wrong with either the cable itself or the charger. So let's try a different cable. Let's see if we get something. Already we have something. And we have it. It's charging. We even get a charge symbol. So why am I showing this? Well, the reason why I'm showing this is because a lot of times the issues when it comes to devices that are not charging, the very first culprit you end up looking at is not something that's complicated. You're not going to jump immediately to saying, oh, the port's broken, or oh, the battery must be dead, or it's shorted out, or it's at the end of its life. No. Try a cable. You always go for the simple things first. One, you look to see whether or not it's plugged in. I know that's silly, but never know. Make sure that that outlet is actually getting power. Next, let's go on to the next possibility. Is there something wrong with the cable? So, what do? You use a different cable. You plug it in with a different new cable, preferably, or one that you know works with another device or whatever. Plug it in with that cable. Oh, it's still not working? Try another charge block. If the new charge block that you're using still shows no life, now you start worrying about the tablet. So you end up, well, I would still look to see if there's any obstructions with the charge port. I mean, that was the very first thing that I did, is I looked to see if there's something wrong with the charge port. It's true, but that's a very quick check. Generally speaking, the most charge issues are from either the charge block or the cable itself. So I know this was just a very, very quick video. Just wanted to show just how easy it is to diagnose a charging issue. And it can be simply just checking three things. Is there something wrong with the charge port or obstructing it? Is there something wrong with the cable? Is there something wrong with the charge block? So, if you guys liked the video, please do leave a like. And if you want to see more of my stuff, subscribe. We'll see you guys all in another video. Bye.